Want to check the real battery health on your iPhone? Here's how to see more detailed battery data. First, open Settings. Tap Battery. Now tap Battery Health and Charging. Here you'll see Maximum Capacity. This gives you a percentage of your battery's current health. But if you want more detailed battery information, you can use Apple's analytics data. Here's how. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Now tap Analytics and Improvements. Make sure Share iPhone Analytics is turned on. If it wasn't enabled before, you may need to wait 24 hours for new analytics data to appear. Next, tap Analytics Data. Open the most recent file that starts with log aggregated. Tap the Share icon at the top. Now you can copy the data or use a battery stats shortcut to extract the real battery cycle count and capacity information. Some shortcuts can automatically calculate your actual battery capacity in milliampere hours and cycle count. And that's it. That's how you check detailed battery health data on iPhone. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.